I'll show you how to track what Claude modified, read its explanations, and undo changes if needed. Let's jump in. This is important when data that needs to be auditable. You need to know exactly what changed and why. Let's ask Claude to make some changes and see how it tracks them. I'll ask, add a new column that calculates engagement per 1,000 followers. Watch what happens. Every time Claude makes a change and produces a result, you can easily see it by clicking the column mentioned in Claude's response. The updated values will appear directly in the spreadsheet, and even the formula Claude used is visible when you click the cell. So if Claude adds a new column, you can select that column and immediately review the results. Click any cell to inspect the formula behind it and verify how the calculation was done. Claude also summarizes all changes in the chat. Look here. It lists every column added, every formula written, and the logic behind each change. If Claude made a change you don't want, you have two options. Option 1, use Excel's standard undo, Control-Z on Windows, Command-Z on Mac. That's typically Control-Z or the undo button. Everything reverts. Option 2, tell Claude to remove it. Claude undoes its own work and confirms the removal. This is useful if you're several steps past the original change and can't just hit undo. 3 quick best practices. 1. Review highlighted changes before saving your file. Once you save, the highlighting disappears and changes become permanent. 2. Read Claude's summary in chat after each request. It lists everything that changed. Use this as your audit log. 3. For critical spreadsheets, make a copy before asking Claude to make major edits. That way you always have the original. Change tracking makes Claude safe to use with production data. You're never flying blind. Every edit is visible, documented, and reversible. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.